First of all, the whole PSSM is very, very grateful to Padma Shri, Dr. Karthikeyan ji. I can't thank him enough for his hand of friendship, for his big heart, for the whole of humanity. A great police officer, a great servant of the people, a great spiritual master. Who is a spiritual master? A person who dedicates himself to the whole public. Mankind is a spiritual master. He is tirelessly traveling, going to every spiritual society, spiritual ashram, social society, and spreading the message of basic human decency, basic common sense, basic spirituality. What is basic spirituality? Listening to the other person. That is the basis of civil life. And he is a great paragon of that. He freely goes everywhere, freely gives his time, his intelligence, his erudition, his guidance, his encouragement, his inspiration to all of us, to the whole of humanity, and especially to Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement. Swamiji, your presence here today for these Buddha Purnima celebrations augurs very beautiful for us. Actually, we should be doing it in the Pyramid Valley, but due to the grace of Corona pandemic, we are all at home. See, Karthikeyan ji in Delhi, I am in Hyderabad, and our masters are conducting from Pyramid Valley and Bangalore city. But Pyramid masters are listening from the whole world. This is a good thing that we are organizing this digital Dhyan Yajna for. We started digital Dhyan Yajna from Delhi. And the second one was conducted from Chennai. Third one, yesterday, we did it from Orissa. Now this is the fourth digital Dhyana Yajna for 4 days. And from now onwards, every Sunday, there will be a digital Dhyana Yajna from some place or other in India and abroad. We have entered the digital age now. After Christ, we are talking about before Christ and after death. Now a new thing has come, Corona. Before Corona and after Corona. BC is the same. That was before Christ. Now this is before Corona. But that was after death. Here, there is no death here after AC, after Corona. There is no death. Spirituality says that there is no death. Spirituality says, Baba, you are consciousness. You cannot die. That energy that which you are can neither be created nor destroyed. Transformation, translocation of energy will be there. Transformation of a state of energy will be there, but energy can neither be destroyed nor created. So there is no death. In those dark times, the Christian times, the concept was death. But now, in this 21st century, there is no death. Everybody has understood spirituality. So now it is BC and AC. Before Corona and after Corona. Corona has come to remove the word death from our psyche. No death. That is the message of all New Age masters, including Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement. No death. You are not the body. And there is no death for you. When there is no death, where is the lamentation? Where is the suffering? You are eternal. Verity. You are forever. I will be speaking to Karthikeyan ji after 1000 years, somewhere, some other dimension, some other location. But he will be there. Oh, in that lifetime, you are Karthikeyan and I was Patri. How are you, sir? After so many decades, so many centuries, so many yugas, I'm meeting you again. Why did you do all these yugas? So, we are forever people. There is only death for the body. There is no death for the energy that inspires this body, that forms this body, that intends this body. That energy is forever. That awareness is forever. And his contribution to the whole spiritual process in this planet has been well told by Dr. Karthikeyanji 2500 years back. Now, these 4 days, there are so many spiritual masters, but Gautama Buddha stands head and shoulders above everybody. And PSSM is the second innings of that Gautama Buddha. Gautama Buddha told his people that I will come back again after 2500 years. He knew his future. He knew the future of the planet Earth. He said, I will come back. That is why Karthikeyanji mentioned about Goenkaji, the phenomena of Goenkaji and the phenomena of PSSM, phenomena of Osho Rajneesh. All this put together is Maitreya Buddha. Not only this, so many others, the whole of Earth planet. So many great masters brought the Buddha back after 2500 years. We are talking about Buddha everywhere. That Buddha represented the serious Buddha. That Buddha went to China to become laughing Buddha with a big belly, not bothered about the body, happily laughing always. The deadly serious Buddha, Gautama Buddha, became the laughing Buddha in China. Where is the tragedy? Where is the death? Where is the loss? Laugh. Humor. Absolutely non-serious fellow in China, laughing Buddha. There is no seriousness. There is only non-seriousness. So in China, it is laughing Buddha, but now it is friendly Buddha, Maitreya Buddha. PSSM is a grand reflection of that Maitreya Buddha concept. Grand incarnation of that Maitreya Buddha concept. Friendly Buddha. You are not serious. You are non-serious. And you go everywhere to become friend of everywhere. Everybody is a friend of everybody else. And everybody is an enlightened master. Everybody is a Buddha and everybody is a friend. I go to your house and you come to my house. Your house is my house, my house is your house. This is the age of Maitreya Buddha. PSSM is the total completion of that Maitreya Buddha concept, which Gautama Buddha envisaged 2500 years back. With this, the earth will be complete. Humanity will go a higher step to become divinity. Every human being will be a divine human being. Every human being will attain nirvana. This is the Maitreya Buddha age. This is also the second coming of the Jesus Christ. This is a wave of enlightenment everywhere. A massive wave of enlightenment everywhere. Of Buddhahood everywhere. Of nirvana everywhere. No death. After Corona, whenever it completes its work on the earth planet, 2 things are going to happen. Those people who need to leave the 3-dimensional earth planet and go to the 4th-dimensional astral worlds, they will go there. And only those people who are enlightened, who are in nirvana, who are in Buddhahood, will remain in physical bodies. Corona will separate people for the betterment of everybody. Those people who need to be transferred, whose energy systems need to be transferred to astral worlds for further training in the astral worlds before they can come back to the earth, will be given that opportunity by Corona. And those people who are Buddhas, they will populate the earth planet. There will be meditation everywhere. Between these years, 2020 and 2030, all this cleansing will happen. The whole shift is happening on a largest possible scale, which we are seeing daily. All unnecessary things will be realized as unnecessary. Dr. Karthikeyan mentioned there are big queues in front of the liquor shops. My goodness. What kind of people are these? Do you think these people deserve to be on the earth planet? These drunkards who spoil their own bodies? How can you spoil your own body, which is a temple of God? It's a great sin. This body is not meant for alcohol. It burns the body and it is violence against the body. First point. Then, when the alcohol is inside the body, how will he behave at home, in the public places? Becomes the biggest nuisance possible. And enough is enough. The mother says, enough is enough, Baba. Come this side, or go that side. Either you have to be on the planet as a Buddha, or vacate the planet and go to the astral worlds, lower astral worlds or higher astral worlds according to your karma. Then get training there. And when you are trained, when you are fit to come back to the earth planet, you can come back. Not until then. So there is a great separation of souls on the earth planet. Either here or there. People who are non-killing, non-violent, non-interfering people will remain on the earth planet to be the seed for a golden age. And people who are killing, who are violent, who are interfering, they will be transferred to the astral worlds for further training there. Training is always done. As a great police officer, you know Karthikeyanji, if somebody commits a crime in this society, he is put in a jail. And in the jail, he is given a training to become a better person. And when he becomes a better person, he is released from the jail. Even though the punishment period is for 10 years, if he becomes a better person, within 8 years, he will be released from the jail. 8 years. Am I right, sir? So what happened in the jail? He is removed from the public place and he is put in a jail. He is taken care by the government. He is getting education. Same thing happens Corona. Now instead of this police force or judges or the government of India, the government of any country, it is the government of the whole earth planet which is taking place in the form of Corona. Every person thinks that I am not sinful. I am a very good person. I am taking care of my wife, my children. But he doesn't know that he is killing animals and eating. He thinks he is sinless. But the earth planet is not who is sinful and who is sinless. Every police officer knows that every murderer takes care of his family. He is killing other people and taking care of his family. It is not allowed. You cannot kill others. Similarly, human beings cannot kill animals, cannot kill birds, cannot kill the fish. What's happening? How can you kill? How can you take the life of other being, which is equally God? So, the Corona police knows that this fellow is killing animals, birds, fish. He is violating. As male people violate against the women. How can you violate the women? How can you rule the women? How many men are ruling their women? Women are considered positions. All women are considered as slaves. The lives of women are being interfered horribly by all the men. In cricket, the bowler is bowling. He is crossing the crease. The umpire says no ball. Then he checks up. The bowler argues. Then you show the third umpire. Then he really has crossed the crease. Then he's okay. Because the third umpire is there. His leg is crossing the crease. It's no ball. That ball cannot be counted. You have to go again, put one more ball, and one run extra will be given to the other person, other party. When you bowl a no ball, you can't crease the cross. Human beings cannot cross the Lakshman Rekha. You cannot kill animals. No. You cannot violate others. The men cannot violate women. And the elders cannot interfere with the children. So, the police will catch all these criminals and put them in the jail. They can't be killed. Police have got no right to kill the criminals. Nobody can be killed. But they have to be educated. They have to be quarantined. They have to be separated from the society. So that huge quarantine is happening now. The negative human souls are shifted to astral worlds. That is death. There's no death. And only positive souls will remain on the earth. Like only good people can stay in the society. Police will not touch them. Police will touch only the negative elements of the society. And do you think the earth, Mother Earth, the astral people, astral masters, they don't know what to do, what not to do? They know what to do, what not to do. We can't hide our stupidity from them. They are third empire. Through the lens, they see everything, that you have crossed the line. It's a no ball. It's not the right ball. So one run is given to the opposite party, and you have to go back again and put another ball. If you are within the crease, your ball is allowed. The umpire will not say anything. The Earth Mother also will not say anything if you are a positive soul. The Earth Mother Earth knows much more than the police officer. A police officer can commit a mistake, but not the Mother Earth. The umpire can commit a mistake, but not the third umpire. There are many umpires who gave wrong judgments. Wrong judgments of LBW or no ball or white ball. But when you see through the third umpire, the right thing comes out. But the police are doing the best. Similarly, the umpire standing there on the crease is doing the best. But there is the third umpire. Third umpire is perfect. There are so many cameras put, and the angle is whether the ball is going onto a leg or onto a wicket. He will immediately show it, whether it is LBW or not. The third umpire is there, who is sitting in his cabin and observing everything, every ball, every bat, every padding, every catch. Whether the ball, when you catch the ball, whether it's touching the ground. Half of the ball is in your hand, but half of the ball is touching the ground. So catch is not allowed. Nobody can see. That umpire cannot see whether the ball is touching the ground or not. But the third umpire knows. He zooms in and sees that, yes, he really caught the ball. The fingers were on the ground. The ball was here. Out. So, the third umpire, Earth Mother Earth. There is no punishment. It is proper education given. The police are not punishing anybody. They are not interested in punishing anybody. They are separating people and giving proper treatment to the proper person. The police are compassionate. You need to be educated, Baba. So you please come to the jail. You need to be disciplined. You have to learn discipline for your own development. The police are compassionate people. Am I right, Karthikeyan ji?
You are always right, sir. You have never been wrong. You don't see anything wrong. Always speak the truth.
I am not a police officer. But
no, you are a third umpire. You are a third umpire.
So police are helping the society.
Yes.
Am I right, sir?
Absolutely.
I congratulate all the police.
Thank
And
you.
we have here a great police officer, Karthikeyanji.
Thank
Tumba
you.
tumba ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, Swami. Thank you for your blessings. You always been kind to me.
So we have to appreciate the police. When they come and arrest you, put हथकड़ी लगाते हैं, फिर लेके जाते हैं आदर से, आइए बाबा, come to our jail. It's very good for you. So they educate them. In our jails in Andhra Pradesh, in Warangal, in Hyderabad, in Visakhapatnam, we got pyramids, Swamiji.
Yes.
So we are teaching meditation there. We have established pyramids there. So what do they do? Those criminals, they learn meditation there. Same thing happens in the astral worlds.
Very good. Yeah.
All those people who vacate the physical bodies, they go to the astral worlds, they are taught meditation there. Hey guy, welcome. You are new visitor from Earth planet. Come, आइए. नमस्कार सभी को. सब लोग ध्यान में बैठेंगे. चलो. Anapanasati in the astral worlds. So, in the jail, they have to do meditation. Otherwise, the roti will not be given to them. So they do meditation. They want to come out of the jail. Which criminal wants to stay in the jail, Swamiji? Anybody? No. They don't want to stay in the jail. They want to get back to their families. So they are eager to become successful again. They say, okay, we'll do meditation, Swamiji. Will we be released from the jail? Yes, you will be released, no problem. Learn to do service there in the jail. Don't harm anybody there. Do meditation. Realize your spirituality. And many people in Andhra Pradesh, I know, many criminals, they did a lot of meditation in the jails and they came back early. I know many people such like that. Same thing happens to the astral people who Corona sends them to there. If not a tsunami, if not an earthquake, a corona, something will shift you to the astral worlds. There have been people on the earth planet who have been living for the past thousands of years, like Ashwatthama, Hanuman, Parashurama, Vibhishana. We know many cases from the Puranas who are still living. They are not sent anywhere. There is no death for them. They are perfect masters of meditation. Vibhishana, Hanuman, Ashwatthama, Parashurama, Mahavatar Babaji. You won't go from the earth planet until you want. So this corona, which will complete its job all over the planet. It will remove the grain from the chaff. The grain will stay. The chaff will be transferred to astral worlds. Whoever is killing, whoever is violating, whoever is interfering with other life forms, these are all antisocial elements. How can antisocial elements stay in the society? No. There is no punishment here. There is only education here. There is only special compassion. When you are taken to the jail, Karthikeyanji will understand that it is all special compassion. Swamiji?
It's for their own good and good of the society. Yes.
It is good for the person also, for
Yes.
the criminal also.
Yeah.
Good for the criminal, good for the society.
Good for his family also.
Good for everybody.
Yes.
It is great compassion. And if a police department can be compassionate, the legal department can be compassionate, the Earth Mother is not compassionate. And we are the children of her. She is the mother of us. And can she not be compassionate? I'll give you a story. Karthikeyan, can I proceed?
Yes, please. I'm listening very keenly.
Very keenly.
Yes.
The other day I told you about this story, Mahakavi Bharavi.
Yes, yes.
You remember it?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
the son wanted to be punished by the father. He said,
Yeah.
give me punishment.
Yeah.
Father said, no need for punishment. You have realized your truth. No, Swamiji, you must give me punishment.
Yes.
Okay, go to your father-in-law's place for 6 months. So,
Best punishment.
for all the criminals, the jails are the father-in-law's place.
After 3 days, they want to go out.
I really like that story of Mahakavi Bharavi Swamiji.
Yes, there's a Telugu poet, no?
Yes.
A great poet.
Great poet. And what a great story.
Beautiful. Very powerful.
Very, very powerful. When you understand that story, you will understand spirituality.
Yes.
ससुराल को जाइए आप.
You will realize after 3 days. Yeah, that's a beautiful story. Actual life?
Actual story, Baba.
Real life, okay.
Yes, real life story. It's not fiction, it is fact.
Great.
Facts are stranger than fiction.
Yeah.
The
Very often.
life of Gandhiji is not a fiction.
But stranger than reality. Yeah.
The life of Gandhi.
That's why, I installed Gandhi statue in police headquarters in Dharwad. I was SP. Beautiful headquarters. There I installed a statue of Mahatma Gandhi and I invited the chief minister, that time Virendra Patel, a good man. He came to inaugurate. He saw opened the plaque I had written there in a marble stone. Generations hence, people will scarce believe that such a one as this ever walked on the planet.
They won't believe.
Albert Einstein, scientist, said that.
Yes.
After a generation, people will not believe such a man as this. He said, right, I said, even now people don't believe. That's about 30 years back I'm talking.
That is why we have a beautiful Gandhi statue in Pyramid Valley, Bangalore.
Yeah, I know, it's beautiful. Beautiful statue.
He is the epitome of non-killing, non-violence and non-interference.
And truth. He
was a living Buddha.
Yeah. Modern Buddha.
So, how will you treat, if you are Earth, Mother Earth, Karthikeyan?
Yeah.
How will you treat all these people who are killing animals and eating the carcasses? How will you treat them?
Reform them. Tell them that what you're doing is not correct. You are destroying the planet. Planet is getting angry. They are not created for you to eat. You are among the millions of species for coexistence. Nothing in creation is without a purpose. They are not created to become your food.
Okay, what action will you take?
Change it, reform them, change them, teach them meditation, ask them to become PSSM followers.
That's it.
Yeah. I think many have changed. I know thousands of people, they have changed. I've heard from many people, they become masters. They become great teachers. Yes. There's another moment called, I told you, Veratri Maharishi's moment also. Now, they all become, people who have drunkards become teachers. People can reform, realize any point of time. Yes. Valmiki, for example, Yeah, history is full of such people.
Milarepa.
Sorry, the stories of hundreds of masters. People can change. See, nobody is born wicked by association, by wrong association, wrong habits come, but they can be changed by over a period of time. People have changed.
So
People are,
we want that Ashtanga Marga, right views, right words, right intentions,
yes,
right actions,
that's
right
right.
way of living,
Yes,
right attention, right concentration, right meditation.
that's
8
right.
points are required. That
No,
is
but-
what Gautam Buddha gave right.
No, but you have gone on solution. Meditation itself brings about all these consequences. Meditation itself can result in all this.
He put among the 8 points, Sammasati as the last.
Okay.
But we have put Sammasati in the beginning.
Yeah, then it automatically people change when they realize.
Automatically their views will change, their
That's right.
words will change, their way of living will change, their attention, everything will change.
Yes, we have seen it in practical life.
That is the second innings of Gautam Buddha,
Yes, wonderful.
where, see, in Patanjali Yoga, Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. Yama is 5. Satya, Ahimsa, Brahmacharya, like this. So if
Yes.
all those things are there, why should you meditate?
Yeah. See,
So
one of your great disciples, masters, you can say, Chandra openly says, I was eating meat, but once I came into meditation, I gave up everything. I don't miss it. Now he says, I have given up my business. I want to dedicate my life only for for spiritual movements. Very rare for a person who is young, 50, successful. They won't like to make more millions. But very rare for a person to say, I have made enough money, that's enough. I want to spend the rest of my life in teaching meditation. That's one of your great disciples, Chandrasekhar.
one of my great masters. I don't have any disciples.
Yes, masters. Yeah.
One of my great friends,
Yes.
Swamiji.
He shares it with everybody. That means how you can bring about a change of heart. Once you are on the path, people will change.
In the Gautam Buddha's eightfold path, the last point, Samma Sati, that is right meditation, that is our only program. From that, you get everything. The other 7 points automatically.
Everything follows.
Similarly, in Patanjali's Yama Niyama, I have put the Yama Niyama on the last. You first, whatever you are, you first sit asana. Then do pranayama, observe the breathing, anapanasati.
Everything follows.
Pratyahara is getting energy from the cosmic energy.
Yes.
Okay, then everything will happen.
That's right. That's right. That's why I say you have simplified everything. Such a complicated thing, you have been able to simplify. Because when I went through Vipassana, because I was in a very critical stage at that time, my time was very precious. I can't afford to be away from my work even for an hour. But there was a time where I had to find, so there was some gap in my work. So I went into this Vipassana at that time. At the end of my 10th day, there were a lot of TV people because I was in the media every day. One of the most, every day I used to be interviewed. So I came, I said, this is wonderful. This is the best. So 3 days was on only Anapana Sati. That itself was tough because early morning, 5 o'clock, you get up and doing only observing your breath the whole day.
Swamiji,
you can't talk. But then another 5 days observing. You made it so simple, amazing.
I also went to that Hyderabad ashram.
Yes. Yes.
I wanted to stay for 10 days. I went for 1 day and ran back.
But you must compliment me. I stayed on for 10 days.
You are a great police officer, Baba.
No, people were wondering how I can be there for 10 days. Then I wrote to the chiefs of police telling you must put every officer in this. Because, then you realize instead of all these teachings, preachings, one can realize oneself to a large extent, It helped me a lot.
We are in PSSM not at all harsh. We say, do according to your age. If you are 20 years old, do it 20 minutes, wherever you are, at home. Do this for 40 days.
That is why you
become a Buddha.
That's why because I told you, you are democratized meditation. The result, anyone on the street, as long as he's inclined, he can. That's why you feel lakhs of people, followers all over.
Do meditation according to your age. Any time of the day, in your own home, for 40 days regularly, then you'll become a master. Mandala Dhyana Diksha.
Yes. Great.
Thank you very much, Swamiji.
Thank you. Thank
Today-
you for your presence.
We are very happy. You make everybody happy in the whole world. That is the problem with you.
Thank
That's
you.
why everybody wants you.
Thank you very much. It's all your blessings. Thank you. Your kindness. Thank you. Always
Varamurthy-
enjoy being
Varam-
with you.
Varamurthy Garu,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
you
sir.
can translate the essence into Kannada and tell.
To some extent, definitely I will, sir. I will. ಸೊ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಅತ್ಯಮೂಲ್ಯವಾದ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮರ್ಷಿ ಪಿತಾಮಹ ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಪತ್ರಿಜಿ ಅವರು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಅವರ ವಿಷಯ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಯಾರು ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್, ಒಬ್ಬ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಗುರು ಯಾರಾಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಸೊ ತನ್ನನ್ನ ತಾನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ, ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು. ಅದನ್ನ ಬಹುಶಃ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕೇಯನ್ ಅವರ ಜೀವನ ಶೈಲಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದ ಅಂಶವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ DDY4 ಇವತ್ತೇನ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಮೊದಲು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ತದನಂತರ ಚೆನ್ನೈ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ತಾನೇ ಮುಗಿದಿದ್ದು ಒರಿಸ್ಸಾನಲ್ಲಿ. ಇವತ್ತು 4 ದಿವಸಗಳ ಒಂದು DDY ಧ್ಯಾನ ಯಜ್ಞ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬುದ್ಧ ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ತುಂಬಾ ವಿಶೇಷ ಇದು. ನಾವು BC ಮತ್ತೆ AC ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಸಂದರ್ಭಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಅನ್ವಯವಾಗುವಂತಹ BC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಕೊರೋನಾ, AC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕೊರೋನಾ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಮರಣವಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞಾ ಸಹಿತದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞಾ ಜೀವಿಗಳು ಆಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಪತ್ರಿಜಿ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ತಾ, ಕೊರೋನಾ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಏನು ಮರಣ ಎಂಬತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶಬ್ದ ಏನಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ದೂರ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿಯೇ, ದೂರ ಅಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿಯೇ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಶರೀರ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಹೊರತು ಶರೀರ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದುಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಭಯ ಇದೆ, ಮರಣ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಕೊರೋನಾದಿಂದ ಈ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಫರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮರಣವಾಗಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೇವಲ ಮರಣ ಎಂಬತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇರದೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಮುಂದುವರಿತಾನೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 4 ದಿವಸಗಳ ಈ PSSM ಏನಿದೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂತಹದ್ದು. ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಬುದ್ಧರನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಮಹಾ ಯಜ್ಞ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಅನೇಕ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬುದ್ಧ ಭಗವಾನರು ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಇವತ್ತು ಅನೇಕ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ, ನಾಯಕ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ಗೌತಮ ಬುದ್ಧ ಅವರು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕೇಯನ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಗೋಯಂಕ ಅವರನ್ನ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರು PSSM, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಓಶೋ ರಜನೀಶ್, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಗೌತಮ ಬುದ್ಧನ ಜ್ಞಾನೋದಯ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈತ್ರೇಯ ಬುದ್ಧ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್, ಮಿತ್ರತ್ವದ ಆಧಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹದ್ದು. ನೋಡಿ, 2500 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆನೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬುದ್ಧ ತುಂಬಾ ಗಂಭೀರವಾಗಿದ್ದ, ತುಂಬಾ ಗಂಭೀರವಾಗಿದ್ದ. ಆದರೆ ಚೈನಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಬುದ್ಧ ನಗುವ ಬುದ್ಧನಾದ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಪತ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳುವಂತಹದ್ದು, ಈಗಿನ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ PSSM ಮೂಲಕ ಬುದ್ಧ ಮೈತ್ರೇಯ ಬುದ್ಧನಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಬ್ಬರೂ ಕೂಡ PSSM ಏನು ಉದ್ದೇಶವನ್ನ ಹೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಆ ಉದ್ದೇಶವನ್ನ ಅರಿತು ನಡೆದಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲವಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಅನೇಕ ಸಫರಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಅನೇಕ ದುಃಖಗಳನ್ನ, ಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನ, ಇದು ದುಃಖ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ. ದುಃಖವೂ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಷ್ಟವೂ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಶಿಕ್ಷೆಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇದೊಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಿವನ್ನ ಮೂಡಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಮುಖ್ಯ ವಾಹಿನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನನ್ನ ಕರೆತರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಪತಂಜಲಿ ಯೋಗ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ 8 ಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬುದ್ಧನು ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗವನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹದ್ದು ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸದ್ಗುಣಗಳು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಅತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಯಾರು ನಾನ್ ವೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಹಿಂಸಾ ಮಾರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾರು ಹಿಂಸೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಲ್ಲೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉದಾಹರಣೆಯಾಗಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಮಹಾಕವಿ ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ ಅವರ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ವಾಸ್ತವ ಸಂಗತಿ, ಅದು ಕಥೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ವಾಸ್ತವದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಒಂದು 4 ದಿವಸಗಳ ಕಾಲ ನಾವೇನು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಈ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ತೊಡಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಬೋಣ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಬೋಣ, ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗೋಣ, ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಬೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಸೊ ಅನೇಕ ಇಂಥ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಗುರೂಜಿಯವರಿಗೆ, ಪತ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅನಂತ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಷನ್.
Yes, sir.
Varahamurthy garu.
It is a training from Patri, sir.
Oh, very good.
Now,
yes, sir.
You give your message on behalf of the Parishad.
Yes, sir. Karnataka Dhyana Pragati Parishad. ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಪತ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರ ಆಶಯದಂತೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಜನ್ಮ ತಾಳಿರುವಂತಹದ್ದು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಪ್ರಗತಿ ಪರಿಷತ್ತಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷನಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಸಂದೇಶ. ಅದು ಹೊಸದೇನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿದಿರುವಂತಹದ್ದೇ. ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಮುದ್ರಣ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಸಂದೇಶಗಳನ್ನ, ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನ, ಪ್ರಚಾರವನ್ನ ಧ್ಯಾನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಆತ್ಮಜ್ಞಾನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ವಿ. ಅದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಪ್ರಾಶಸ್ತ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು ಇವತ್ತು ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 4 ದಿವಸಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಬುದ್ಧ ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೇರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಸೇರಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಗೈಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಇವತ್ತು, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇವತ್ತು ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಪತ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಅವರು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕೇಯನ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅನೇಕ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆನೆ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪತ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾನ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಪ್ರಗತಿ ಪರಿಷತ್ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಧ್ಯಾನದ ಪ್ರಚಾರವನ್ನ ಮಾಡುವ ದಿಶೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಥಮತಃ ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಈ 9ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರತಿ 2 ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಪತ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರ ಸಂದೇಶ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರದ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರವಚನವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ವಾರಕ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಅಥವಾ 15 ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಅಥವಾ ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೊಮ್ಮೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಮೂಲಕ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಪ್ರಚಾರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಹಲೋ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ, ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡಗಾಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಬರಲಿರುವ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ನ ಒತ್ತಿ.